If you ask me what's the future, US FDA has approved human trials on age reversal. Human will be able to reverse their age 75% in 6 months.
We want to be the best at whatever we do.
Yep.
May it be our careers, may it be our body. Is it really possible to be a superhuman?
आप जिस तरह का जिंदगी बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं तो आपका ब्रेन को बहुत वल्नरेबल बनाना है. The moment you start giving more and more routines, you are actually surrendering yourself to your brain.
Also, are you aging faster if you're like in a routine?
Absolutely.
People are freezing themselves. Temple wearables where people are tracking every other thought, emotion, and all of this. Are we going to live more than 100 years?
People used to think that's natural. Now the new science says that aging is a disease.
Oh.
We do genetic testing and from that आपको पता चलता है कि आपके अंदर वो जीन वेरिएंट है, उससे आपको ये डिसीज होने की संभावना है. You get almost like a blueprint or kind of an operating manual for the rest of your life.
There is also a very big misconception that it's the same for males and females. As a female, I made that mistake.
हमारे एक क्लाइंट है जो मल्टी बिलियनर है. काउंसलर ने उनसे बात किया और ये कहा कि you are carrying this particular gene variant, you will have to avoid things like marathon. उन्होंने कहा कि that's impossible. I have completed 2 marathons. Nothing has happened to me so far. 2023 में दिल्ली मैराथन में कोलैप्स हो गया.
For somebody who wants to invest 5,000 a month to actually improve their longevity and they want to biohack their system, where do you think they can start with?
Most of the things we say as impossible only because nobody has done it till now. Just live for 5 more years. I can tell you that you're going to live for 120 years.
Welcome on Raw with Sneha. I am your host Sneha Desai and we are back with one more exciting episode. We live in a world where everyone wants more energy, better health, peak performance and a longer life. But what does it take to actually become a high-performing individual? And we have a guest today who's dedicated his entire life in answering these questions. He's an expert in longevity, biohacking, human performance, and personal transformation, helping thousands to unlock their potential. Today we have Sajeev Nair out here with us today. Hi, Sajeev.
Hi, Sneha, how are you doing?
Very good. How are you doing?
Excellent.
Yes, welcome on Raw with Sneha. And
Thank you.
I am super excited to have you here with us.
Thank you, Sneha.
Yes. So, as we started off, like we all want to be superhumans. We want to be the best at whatever we do.
Yep.
May it be our careers, may it be our body, may it be being the best individual at home. And I think it's a lot of energy that we require to be the best at every, pillar in our lives.
Correct.
So we have to be with the best of energy. Is it really possible to be a superhuman?
Yeah, it all depends on how you define superhuman.
Okay.
When I say superhuman, I'm not talking about those people who has got the capacity to fly. I'm not saying that human doesn't have the capacity to fly. They may. We haven't tried it because most of the things we say as impossible only because nobody has done it till now, right?
Yeah.
So climbing Mount Everest was impossible till somebody climbed.
Yes.
So till now, nobody has really shown us that, we can fly. So anyway, so when we talk about superhumans, I'm talking about people who can actually excel in all areas of their life, where it is their personal life, professional life, whatever areas, and they can perform at their peak. At their peak means much more than what you can even, I personally can think about myself, where I feel like, I am actually at that level where we call it as in a psychology, we call it as a flow state, where things happen just naturally, automatically, where time flies, you enjoy what you're doing, and you get those moments once in a while.
Yeah.
Can we have those kind of moments happening again and again and again, so that our life becomes so fulfilling? It is possible.
It is possible. Okay. But we have these energy crashes, this energy crisis is there. And people want more energy. So what do you think in our daily lives is actually sucking our energy out? Which are the energy, suckers in our life?
First of all, we should know that what do you mean by energy when we talk about energy.
Yeah.
From a physiology, I'm just talking about a biology or a physiology point of view. When you are talking about energy means the ATP molecules which are being produced inside your mitochondria. That's what you call it as energy.
Okay.
So you have got about 30-40 trillion cells in your body. Each of the cell has got close to about 1,000 to 2,000 mitochondria, which are your powerhouses, which continuously produces energy.
Okay.
This energy is produced in ATP molecules. Now, how do they produce energy? They need oxygen and glucose.
Okay.
That's a primary source. If glucose is not available, they look for other sources. That's how we call it as ketosis and all those kinds of stuff. But primarily, they need glucose. So once glucose and oxygen gets into your mitochondria, there is a chemical reaction, and as a result, the ATP molecules or the energy molecules are produced.
Okay.
Now, when you talk about mitochondria, now the maximum amount of studies right now happening about mitochondria, because we are understanding that this is the core of human health.
Yeah, and if you can crack that, I think
Yeah,
you have cracked the
have
code
done
to
most of the
energy.
thing. Yeah, absolutely. Now, as I told you that, every cell has got about 1,000, 2,000 mitochondria. Your cells in your brain, cells in your heart, cells in your retina, they all carry more than 10,000 mitochondria per cell, because it continuously works. Your brain is continuously working, so you need more mitochondria. And now, especially as I am connected with the longevity research and all those stuff, so what we are calling it as an aging. Earlier, people used to think that aging is all about oxidation, oxidative stress or oxidation which is happening in your body. And people used to think that's natural. It's natural to age.
एज हाँ मतलब जैसे एज बढ़ेगा इट्स नेचुरल दैट आवर बॉडी विल
Now, the new science says that aging is a disease.
ओके
So, the moment you are saying that aging is a disease means you can reverse it or you can treat it. And there are about 12 root causes or main reasons for a person to get aged, not just one.
Okay.
Out of which the most important is a mitochondrial dysfunction. Now, when you are saying that energy crashes or fatigue or the brain fog and all those kinds of stuff, what we are talking about is, in biological terms, it's mitochondrial dysfunction. Your mitochondria is not functioning in the right way. They are not getting the right kind of fuel, or they're getting excess fuel, they don't know what to do with it. Or maybe that as such there's the oxidation which is happening inside the mitochondria, because when you're burning glucose with oxygen, you cut an apple and keep it open, it get oxidized, right?
या इट बिकम्स ब्राउन
Yeah. Any surface oxygen touches, it damages.
या
So the same way the oxygen is damaging you, even though we consider oxygen as our
Yeah,
the
we
kind
breathe
of gas.
oxygen. That's what, yeah,
but
we
that's
need
damaging
oxygen.
us. So mainly because of oxidation, and our body continuously produces antioxidants to neutralize this effect. So if your antioxidant production is low, automatically the oxidation or oxidative stress increases. When the oxidative stress increases, the first load comes on the mitochondria. So overall your energy level droops.
Oh, okay.
So
So as
because-
when you age, your mitochondria actually stops functioning well, and
Yeah.
that's why you age.
No.
Okay.
No, that's the old school.
That's old school. Oh,
We used to think that, it's because as you age, your mitochondrial functions weakens. That's wrong. Because as you age, you stop moving yourself, you started becoming inactive. And the mitochondria works on a principle called fission fusion. That means it can actually fuse, and also it can join. Like when you have 1,000 mitochondria in your cell, and you are just sitting there doing nothing, so these guys don't have much of work, so they will fuse. 2 will become 1, 4 will become 2, so the number of mitochondria will come down because you are not producing that kind of energy.
got it.
The moment you move your body, the moment you get into action, they will split
Got it.
because they wanted to produce more energy. That's why all these things like the cold plunges and the kind of hot therapies, all those kinds of things really work. Even breath work, if you look at all these things like, your Bhastrika pranayama and all those things are mitochondrial blasters. So the number of mitochondria increases, the more energy you produce. So that means the lesser you become active, thinking that you are aged, thinking that, now I cannot move my body the way I used to move. I need to take more rest. Because people generally say that as you retire, you need to sit at one place.
Slow down.
You slow down. The moment you slow down, your mitochondria will just decide that, okay, I don't have much of work. And as a result, your energy production goes down. And as a result, if your glucose is not getting burned, what's going to happen?
Yeah.
That glucose will be there in the blood. You will start increasing the insulin resistance. You're getting into metabolic problem, metabolic syndrome. So that's why we always say that glucose is not the actual issue when it comes to diabetes. It is your mitochondrial dysfunctions.
Got it.
So it is nothing to do with aging.
Okay. It's such a beautiful thing. If you go to see, it's like a CEO working, you know, when you get up in the morning and if you can get your mitochondria start working,
Yeah.
like it's like a factory.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
if you are not giving it work, it's going to give up.
इनफैक्ट हर एक चीज जो आप करते हैं हर
हाँ.
एक दिन सुबह से लेके
हाँ.
यू हैव टू बी माइंडफुल अबाउट द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया because are you really making them active? They don't require any other thing. They don't require that they can find their food. And you know when I say they, कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता होगा किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना? In fact, they are external organelle. Even though we think that it's our mitochondria, if you really go deeper and study, ये बाहर से आए हुए लोग हैं.
अच्छा.
And they are living inside our cells.
Our cells, okay.
So, to a certain extent, you can say that you live only because they want to live. You know, and they are external organelle because they have their own DNA.
Okay.
You have your DNA, they have their own DNA.
अच्छा, so आपका DNA अलग है और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का DNA अलग है.
100%.
Oh,
100%.
that's
So
interesting.
that's why we call it as an external organelle living inside you. And there is one more thing. Where did you get this mitochondria from?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you started your life as one cell.
Yes.
One sperm and one egg joined,
Oh, wow.
and the first zygote was formed. That's called zygote. So if you look at that process, the reproduction process, the sperm comes and sperm really shoots towards the egg, and it needs energy,
Yes.
and it is the mitochondria and the tail of that sperm which is really make it move like a rocket, and it comes and joins with the egg. The moment it joins with the egg, the tail detaches.
Okay.
Okay. Now the mitochondria in the sperm is in the tail.
Yeah.
Now the only mitochondria which is left in the zygote is that of the egg.
Of the egg, yeah.
So whose mitochondria you are carrying
The
now?
mother.
So that is called, we call it as a Ma Shakti, and all those kind of concepts, Indian concepts came up from that only, I believe. I don't know. There is science behind it.
Yeah.
So all the mitochondria, what you are running in your body is your mother's,
The Shakti energy.
the Shakti. And so if you feel a bit low in energy, you can check with your mother. What's going on? You know, your mitochondria is not functioning properly. Do something about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's going to take the physiological and the psychological properties of what the mother energy is carrying.
Even the spiritual level.
In the
if you think
spiritual,
about it.
yeah, like whatever energy
Yeah.
that mitochondria has, it's going to be carrying.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like what you said, you know, अगर आप देखें तो जिंदगी में आप, you know, every day we wanted to perform at our best, right? So the most important thing is that you have to be mindful about all the things what you do with the mitochondria, and it's very easy. Move your body.
Got it. So moving the body is the key, you would say. And ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि अगर मैंने 8-9 घंटे दिन में काम किया हो, but by the end of the day I can still feel fresh if I have hacked my mitochondria.
बिल्कुल. अगर आपने बॉडी मूव किया सही तरीके से,
हाँ.
see nobody really get tired by work. I don't think so.
Okay.
See, when you're working, you're moving your body, because if you are saying that, you know, I get tired when I work, I strongly believe that you are not doing the right kind of work which is really giving you that level of satisfaction. Because if you are doing certain type of work and where 5 घंटे आप काम किया और आपको ऐसा लगा कि आधे घंटे में तो वो निकल गया, you know, I never thought that it's 5 hours, right? When you do creative works,
Yeah.
maybe the kind of works that's what we call it as a flow state. So flow state is flow state is a state at that point of time. If you look at your entire biochemistry and the neurochemistry will be at the peak. तो मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा नहीं होता कि just by doing hard work or just by working you are getting tired. You're getting tired because you are doing something which you really don't like to do.
It's kind of stressing you.
It
You're
is,
not in
yeah,
the
it is
flow
stressing you.
state.
So moving your body is a key. Even if you know, suppose you are having a kind of a job where you need to sit in one place. आप एक IT professional है, आपको कुछ वहाँ पे बैठ के काम करना है, तो 45 minutes to 1 hour में at least 1 minute के लिए आपके body को move करो. It's not difficult at all if you really want. That's why I said mindful. You know, आपको कॉन्शियस होना चाहिए, मेरा बॉडी को मूव करना ही है. See, even for that matter, when you are sitting like this, the best thing is that you can move your legs like this because it's pumping your calf muscle, and calf muscles are considered to be your second heart.
Yeah.
Okay, and there is inside the calf muscle there is another muscle called soleus muscles. So soleus muscles are found to be the best glycogen burners.
Okay.
तो यानी कि आपका अब ऐसे ही बैठ के यू कैन बर्न योर ग्लूकोज.
हाँ, मतलब छोटे छोटे एक्सरसाइजेज ये हैक्स आप करो एंड यू विल सी मेजर चेंजेस इन योर लाइफ.
Absolutely, anytime. Yeah.
Okay. So taking those breaks, even if you are having a sedentary lifestyle, but if you can get up every 45 minutes, do that movement, you're going to increase the ATP in the mitochondria.
Correct.
Right?
ATP production.
ATP
Yeah,
production.
Yeah.
What other ways are there that मैं मेरे mitochondria को ज़्यादा ATP दे सकती हूँ?
The best way is controlled stress. We call it as a controlled stress.
Okay.
Or in science, they call it as a hormesis. Anything where you are putting your body into stress in a controlled way,
Okay.
that's good for your mitochondria. There will be mitochondrial functions will be enhanced. जैसे कि आप अगर पुशअप्स कर रहे हैं, that's a controlled stress. Cold plunge कर रहे हैं, controlled stress. Sauna, controlled stress. Breath work, especially the kind of Bhastrika pranayam, where you are actually doing a controlled stress. Anything and everything जहाँ पे आप आपके बॉडी को फुल स्ट्रेस दे रहे हैं, उस टाइम आपके बॉडी में एक सिग्नल चलता है, यानी कि कुछ तो होने वाला है, दिस गाय इज गोइंग टू डाई.
Oh.
या
हाँ.
लाइक
ये सर्वाइवल मोड में वो चला जाएगा.
कोल्ड प्लंज में 2 डिग्री 3 डिग्री में जो पानी है उसके अंदर जब आप घुसेंगे, व्हाई आर यू सो स्कैर्ड? बिकॉज योर ब्रेन इज टेलिंग यू मैन दिस गाय इज गोइंग टू डाई. And there is an explosion inside your body because the moment mitochondria gets information that ये बंदा तो मरने वाला है, तो they want to live. Whether you want to die or not is a different issue.
अच्छा दे.
So they will explode.
Okay.
That's why you get that kind of huge explosion after a cold plunge. And I tried cold plunge, and because in my biohack center in Cochin we have cold plunge. So I could never survive inside that for more than 1 minute. कुछ लोग तो 2 मिनट 3 मिनट तक रहते हैं, लेकिन 2 डिग्री 3 डिग्री में तो 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
और मैंने वो कोल्ड प्लंज में जो पानी है उसको देख के मैं खुद ही कहता था, even now I try that, it's water, it's 2 degree, nothing is going to happen. I can be there for 3 minutes. And जब भी मैं उसके अंदर जाता हूँ तो तुरंत I'm going to die.
Yeah.
So this is the kind of power which can give mitochondria a huge possibility of explosion.
It's like shocking the system.
Shocking, it's a shocking. Hormesis is basically shocking. Yeah, it's we call it as when you are putting yourself into a sauna, especially infrared sauna.
Yeah,
not
the red
other
light.
one. The other, red light or infrared sauna.
Infrared sauna.
The other sauna is I don't recommend. तो जहाँ पे आप एक्चुअली आपके बॉडी को हीट शॉक प्रोटीन्स क्रिएट करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड हीट शॉक प्रोटीन्स. दैट्स वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर योर बॉडी, फॉर एंटी एजिंग, इन्फ्लेमेशन. हीट शॉक प्रोटीन्स आर एक्सट्रीमली गुड फॉर किलिंग इन्फ्लेमेशन.
Okay.
तो आप अगर 30-40 मिनट्स आप एक इंफ्रारेड सोना के अंदर स्पेंड किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर क्रिएटिंग सो मच ऑफ हीट शॉक प्रोटीन्स, एंड दैट रियली कैन you can see the inflammation really coming down just in the next 30 minutes.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
But how often do you recommend something like this? क्योंकि अगर मैं I am 34 as an individual, for a person, is it related to their age or anybody can start doing it, and how often should they do it?
जैसे कि जब आपका हेल्थ कंडीशन में कुछ चैलेंजेस है तो डेफिनेटली एक मेडिकल एडवाइस लेना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अदरवाइज आई थिंक ट्वाइस इन अ वीक हम जो रिकमेंड करते हैं, हमारे जो बायोहैक सेंटर में वी नॉर्मली रिकमेंड पीपल टू डू ट्वाइस इन अ वीक.
Okay.
Some people do thrice in a week also. Even at least once in a week is good enough. Like you come, spend about 30-40 minutes in the infrared sauna at about 60-65 degrees. और उसके बाद maybe 5 degrees centigrade cold plunge for about 1 minute. Extremely good. You can see, and maybe we can expose your body to a red light for maybe about 40 minutes. बिकॉज रेड लाइट हैज़ गॉट द कैपेसिटी, वो जो स्किन को पेनेट्रेट करके अंदर जाके सीधा माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को एक्टिवेट करने का जो कैपेसिटी रेड लाइट थेरेपी में है. 630 नैनो, it's called the NMs, it's a wavelength of the red light. So not all the red lights.
सो अगर एक इंडिविजुअल एक आइस प्लंज कर रहा है वीक में, वन आइस प्लंज, वन इंफ्रारेड सोना अगर पॉसिबल है
साथ में,
तो
यानी कि,
साथ में, एंड देन यू हैव अ रेड लाइट therapy. If you
Yeah.
can take something like this for around 30 minutes, they will see a massive change in their energy levels.
Yeah. They will see massive change in the energy levels. उससे भी ज़्यादा you can see the difference on your skin. Yeah.
Okay.
Because red light therapy has got a proven scientific history of wrinkles के ऊपर काम करना या skin का जो टोन के ऊपर you will see the
Tightening of the
difference. Yeah,
skin.
tightening of the collagen production बढ़ेगा.
Collagen, okay.
Automatically, naturally.
हाँ, okay.
So all these kinds of things happen there. Yeah.
Beautiful. So, getting back to mitochondria, ATP, you said one is a movement, and second you said is about
Control stress.
control stress. So basically, stress is good for the body,
Yes.
for longevity,
Yes.
but it has to be in a controlled way,
Yeah.
and it has to be monitored.
Chronic stress is the killer. Controlled
Chronic
stress
stress.
is a savior.
And what do you think? Most of the individuals today are into chronic stress more than
तो
controlled
मेरे ख्याल
stress.
से क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस से भी खतरनाक कोई भी चीज़ दुनिया में नहीं है आपके लॉन्जिविटी के खिलाफ काम करने वाला. सो वी हैव टू, बिकॉज when anyone who is listening to it, they may think that's so very easy to say, but it's tough to practice, because जब हम ऐसा एक टॉक्सिक सिचुएशन में है, टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप में है, ऑफिस में उस तरह का स्ट्रेस है, हर एक दिन बॉस से वो स्ट्रेस आते रहते हैं, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं इन क्रॉनिक. You have to be very careful about it. You have to somehow manage it. You have to get out of that bloody thing. I'm telling you, seriously, this is the killer. Chronic stress is the killer, because chronic stress में क्या होता है कि आपका cortisol level, जो stress hormone का हम कहते हैं, वो continuously elevated होता है. अगर किसी के वो कुछ टाइम के लिए एलिवेटेड हुआ तो अच्छा है हमारे लिए, लेकिन कंटिन्यूसली एलिवेटेड लेवल पे कॉर्टिसोल गया तो ये पूरा खतरनाक खेल शुरू कर देगा. यानी कि you cannot imagine the kind of damage it can create. It'll affect your melatonin production. Melatonin is required for your sleep.
Yeah.
तो आपका sleep खराब हो गया. So if it is women, एक्सेसिव कॉर्टिसोल प्रोडक्शन के लिए वो प्रोजेस्टेरोन यूज करना शुरू कर देंगे. सो प्रोजेस्टेरोन यूज करना शुरू कर दिया तो आप ईस्ट्रोजन डोमिनेंस में आ जाएंगे, और ईस्ट्रोजन डोमिनेंस में आपका मूड तो फ्लक्चुएशन व्हाट नॉट, सो
It will collapse the whole system.
entire system and also entire metabolic systems will get damaged. So what can I do? But I have to live with it. But that's a choice. आज के दिन में अगर आप ये सब समझने के बाद भी वही चॉइस आप ले रहे हैं तो you cannot blame anybody.
Yeah, you can't be living under the rock
Absolutely.
in this year.
You have to get out of this.
Yeah.
If it's something like a toxic relation, come out of it or fix it. If it's something like an office environment which is creating the problem, get out of that place. मुझे तो कोई दूसरा जॉब नहीं मिलेगा. Then I can't help you.
Yeah.
But you have to take a decision for your life. But if somebody is asking this question that okay, मुझे इसके साथ ही रहना है, तो मैं क्या करूं? यानी कि आई डोंट हैव मच ऑफ ऑप्शन.
मैं कैसे बैलेंस आउट कर सकता हूँ ये स्ट्रेस को?
एटलीस्ट कैसे न्यूट्रलाइज कर सकते हैं? See, the best way is that, when you are under chronic stress, biologically, the systems which are under real trouble is your nervous system.
Yeah.
Okay. Your brain and central nervous system, they are autocratic. यानी कि उनके ऊपर कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं है. तो वो डिसाइड करते हैं क्या चल रहा है.
बराबर है.
If they find that things are going bad, they will take decisions. Seriously, they don't have anybody to check with.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
सो अगर मेरा ब्रेन और सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसके अंदर ठंड है, तो आई विल स्टार्ट शिवरिंग. देयर मे नॉट बी एनी कोल्ड इनसाइड. Okay, that's a problem. Now, in your brain, if you study your brain, you have got one part of your brain which is called the fear center or reptilian brain, which is the most powerful part of your brain, because वो brain का responsibility आपको survive कराने का है.
Safe रखने का है.
Yeah,
basically.
that's a fight or flight brain. तो उससे कनेक्टेड होता है योर सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. और ये सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम अगर आप एनालाइज करें तो यू हैव गॉट टू पार्ट्स. वन इज द सिंपैथेटिक एंड द पैरासिम्पैथेटिक. तो योगा में इला पिंगला कहते हैं ना. नाउ when you breathe in, the sympathetic activates, and when you breathe out, the parasympathetic activates. Now the only one access point for your nervous system where you can consciously access your nervous system is breath. Okay? That God given breath. तो हम इसको इतना टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं. हमारे ब्रेथ के बारे में कब सोचते हैं? When we have some kind of a suffocation. Otherwise, we don't even think about it. Now, when you know that your sympathetic nervous system get activated when you breathe in, and parasympathetic get activated when you breathe out, and parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for relaxation, sympathetic is responsible for activation. जब आप स्ट्रेस में है, क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस में है, तो द बेस्ट थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू इज दैट आप आपका पैरासिम्पैथेटिक को एक्टिवेट कराए. हाउ डू यू डू इट? थ्रू ब्रेथ. So when you take breathe in and breathe out, be conscious. Slow it down, okay, and then start exhaling in a longer way. Like suppose you are taking the breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe out maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do it for a minute.
So longer exhalations.
Longer exhalations. आप 1 मिनट के लिए कर दो और उसके बाद आप खुद ही देख लो what changes are going to happen in your life. You can start seeing the stress going down.
Got it.
और अगर आपको एक इंटरव्यू में जाना है और बिजनेस नेगोशिएशन में जाना है, आई ऑलवेज एडवाइज entrepreneurs who are getting into negotiations, just 1 minute, sit there, just focus on your breath, start taking deeper exhalations and see the difference. So you have that kind of a power with you.
Yeah.
Of course, other herbs like ashwagandha and all can help you in terms of neutralizing cortisol levels. Like, this is a simple hack which you can do.
Yeah. And it's available to us. Like, you don't have
all the
to
time.
go anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, sit at home and start breathing, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay. So, control stress. What next? Because if I want to hack my mitochondria, और क्या कर सकते हैं?
In controlled stress, intermittent fasting also comes in. Because controlled stress is a very long subject. Where anywhere you put your body into stress, जहाँ पे आपके बॉडी को सर्वाइवल मोड पे, यानी कि योर बॉडी इज ईदर ऑन अ सर्वाइवल मोड और ऑन ए ग्रोथ मोड. ओके. जब आपके बॉडी कंटिन्यूसली ग्रोथ मोड पे ही चल रहा है, सो दैट इज द टाइम ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स हैपन.
अच्छा.
इवन इंक्लूडिंग कैंसर.
Okay.
Unnecessary growth. So once in a while you have to put your body into survival mode. So survival mode is what we call it as a hormesis or the controlled stress.
But जैसे fasting. So like fasting will also put it into a controlled stress.
Yes.
And it's such a nice thing that you said that so there are only 2 states that the body will operate. As you said, एक growth है और दूसरा सर्वाइवल है. और अगर ग्रोथ में रहेगा तो ये डिजीजेज में फॉर नो रीजन आई एम इन्वाइटिंग देम बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गिविंग इट दैट ब्रेक ऑफ. एंड देन टू ब्रेक दैट पैटर्न all I need to do is once in a while tap into the survival mode.
Yeah. Once in a while. Yeah. That's the right thing.
Yeah.
Not all the time. Then it becomes a chronic stress. कुछ लोग ऐसे करते हैं ना, जिम में जाके तो पूरा दिन जिम में ही स्पेंड करते हैं. That's excessive secretion of cortisol, which can damage your body.
Yeah.
And even intermittent fasting, if you look at it, you have to be mindful about whether you should do it or not, because there are few factors. जब आप आपका हेल्थ के बारे में आप जब कॉन्शियस होता है और you start personalizing it or you started practicing some of the things, I always recommend people to go on a personalized route. क्योंकि मेरे लिए जो अच्छा लगता है, मेरे लिए जो काम कर रहे हैं, वो आपके लिए काम करेगा या ना करेगा हमको पता नहीं है.
Yeah.
One man's food can be another man's poison.
Yeah.
So that is where genetics come into play. Earlier we had no clue how to personalize.
Yeah.
Earlier, suppose a dietitian, if she believes in keto diet, she used to prescribe keto diet to everyone for weight loss.
Yeah.
Now we realize when we do genetic testing, at V-Roots we do genetic testing, and we test for 275 health conditions. Okay. That means all the kinds of possible probable diseases for which you are carrying any gene variant. We identify that gene variant, and from that आपको पता चलता है कि आपके अंदर वो जीन वेरिएंट है. उससे आपको ये डिसीज होने की संभावना है. दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू हैव द डिसीज, बट यू हैव अ हायर लाइकली चांस.
या
और जब वो जीन एक्सप्रेस होता है, स्विच ऑन होता है, यू हैव द डिजीज.
ओके
नाउ एपिजेनेटिक साइंस एक और स्टेप में आगे चल के we are able to identify that trigger which makes the gene on.
ओके
Okay, तो that's through correlation. I'm not saying causation नहीं है, यानी कि इससे 100% कह नहीं सकता, लेकिन this could be the correlation. यानी कि आपके अंदर सपोज coronary artery disease का एक जीन वेरिएंट है,
ओके
और but you don't have any problem right now. तो क्या वो जीन वेरिएंट को क्या ट्रिगर करेगा,
कि वो एक्टिवेट होगा.
एक्टिवेट होगा. सो दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट थ्रू कोरिलेशंस.
ओके
और वो ट्रिगर को आप लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन द्वारा आप ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाट वी डू एट वी रूट्स फॉर द लास्ट 5 years. वी हैव हेल्प मोर देन 25,000 पीपल ऑन दिस प्रोसेस. तो जब आप वो ट्रिगर को ब्लॉक करते हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर ब्लॉकिंग दैट डिजीज ऑल्सो टू हैपन.
जो विच यू आर लाइकली टू गेट. तो पहले से आपने उसका एक रिपोर्ट बना
Correct.
के यू आर लाइक कि इफ यू डू दिस चेंज इन योर you will not trigger this
Lifestyle.
gene.
Yeah, it's not a complicated thing. When you say lifestyle modification means either it could be something like what you should eat, what you should avoid. आप जिस तरह का एक्सरसाइज आपके लिए सूटेबल होगा, जिस तरह का एक्सरसाइज आपको डैमेज कर सकते हैं, what medicine can help you, what medicine can go against you, everything you get almost like a blueprint or kind of an operating manual for the rest of your life.
Okay.
Now coming to a point, then keto diet. I was talking about keto diet. जब हमने इतने सारे लोगों का जो वी कॉल इट एस एप्लिमो, एपिजेनेटिक लाइफस्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन. सो एप्लिमो प्रोग्राम में इतने सारे लोगों का जो रिपोर्ट देख के हमको पता चल गया कि एक चीज़, यानी कि इवन कीटो डाइट फॉर दैट मैटर, देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु कैरी ए जीन वेरिएंट. व्हेन इट एक्सप्रेसेस, इट लीड्स टू समथिंग कॉल्ड इम्पेयर्ड फैट मेटाबॉलिज्म. यानी कि फैट को मेटाबोलाइज करने का जो कैपेसिटी को वो रिड्यूस करते हैं when the gene gets on. That's why you must have seen some people slim and fit all of a sudden gaining weight, because that gene has expressed. Something has triggered it. Now वो शख्सियत जाके एक डाइटिशियन के सामने गया और उन्होंने एडवाइस किया कि you go to keto diet, you go into keto diet. I can guarantee that his health will be completely damaged, because he is carrying a gene variant which is creating impaired fat metabolism. इसके ऊपर आप उनको 100% एक लो कार्ब हाई फैट डाइट में डाल दिया, तो you are inviting some serious health troubles.
Okay.
So that's why I call it as a personalization. Now people right now into run club, marathons and all those kinds of stuff. We see some people carry a gene variant which is called the prolonged QT gene, which is connected to your heart. So people who are carrying this gene, if that gene is switched on, their likely chances of having a sudden cardiac death or similar kind of heart disease are high. Now, what can make that switch on? HIIT or high endurance exercises or long endurance exercises like marathon.
High rocks.
Now, when I say this, I know that I'm inviting a lot of negative criticism, but that's a fact.
But that's a fact.
I'm talking from the reports. I'm talking from the data.
Yeah.
So, इसे क्या मैं कर रहा हूँ यानी कि you should not do it? No, you can. लेकिन आपको पता होना चाहिए कि उसको ट्रिगर करने वाला चीज़ क्या होता है.
और आपके लिए क्या वर्क कर रहा है.
या हमारे एक क्लाइंट है जो सूरत से एक मल्टी बिलियनर है. तो उन्होंने 2021 में हमारे साथ प्रोग्राम किया, एप्लिमो प्रोग्राम किया. और उनका जो काउंसलिंग के टाइम पे हमारे जो जेनेटिक काउंसलर्स है, आपका जो जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग सिंपल है ना, आपको पता होगा. 2 ml सलाइवा, from that you can decode your DNA and from there you get a report. तो सिंपल प्रोसेस है. Do it yourself. You can anywhere sitting here you can do it. तो इनका जो रिपोर्ट का रिकमेंडेशन देने के टाइम पे हमने काउंसलर ने उनसे बात किया और उनसे ये कहा कि यू आर कैरिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर जीन वेरिएंट. उससे एक प्रॉब्लम है कि यू विल हैव टू अवॉइड थिंग्स लाइक मैराथन. तो उन्होंने कहा कि दैट्स इम्पॉसिबल बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इनटू मैराथन. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड 2 मैराथन. नथिंग हैज हैपेंड टू मी सो फार. सो योर रिपोर्ट मे बी रॉन्ग. 2023 में मेरे ख्याल से उनको दिल्ली मैराथन में कोलैप्स हो. And then he was taken to the Fortis hospital. Then the cardiologist looked at it. Luckily, cardiologist also knows about a bit about genetics. So he was asking him, आप जैसे एक बिलियनर जब इस तरह का चीज़ों में जाते हैं तो पहले तो चेक करना चाहिए. तो इन्होंने रिपोर्ट दिखाया. हमारा एक मोबाइल ऐप है. मोबाइल ऐप में पूरा चीज़ है, यानी कि कॉन्सियर्ज है, हेल्थ कॉन्सियर्ज है, वो बताएगा, पूछ के आपके जेनेटिक्स के मुताबिक आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देंगे. तो it very clearly says. Then he wanted to run marathons, and then we had discussions internally. The doctor also discussed with us. Ultimately, we found that there could be a correlation with us. उनके लिए genetically magnesium का absorption deprived है. And there are some correlations which prove that magnesium deficiency and prolonged QT. तो हमने information डॉक्टर से शेयर किया. और मेरे ख्याल से उसके बाद अभी he is participating in marathons with after taking a nutritional magnesium IV. तो यानी कि
you can decode it also. मतलब
Yeah,
there is a way.
blocking the trigger.
Yeah, you're blocking. So there are ways you can work around it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप नहीं कर सकते कुछ
That's
भी
what I'm
चीज.
saying. That's called personalization.
That's what personalization.
Even intermittent fasting मेरे ख्याल से कुछ लोगों के लिए हमने देखा है कि it gives negative results. तो आपको अगर आप really, if you really wanted to take a journey of longevity and high performance, I think you should decode your DNA and understand first what is the real code. Okay? And based on that, आपका पूरा जो भी चीज़ें हैं, whatever kind of modules you need to create, you need to personalize that.
And you can work a way around it.
Yeah.
And kind of hack your system. मतलब
Exactly.
सबका system अलग है. You just need
हर
to
एक का system
हर
अलग
एक का
है.
system अलग है.
और जब आप माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के ऊपर ही बात किया तो मेरे ख्याल से all these things are connected to a certain extent to your the genetic makeup. ऐसे कहते थे लोग, genetics is only 1%, it's all about your lifestyle. आज लोगों को पता ऐसे आना शुरू कर दिया जहाँ पे that 1% can be a killer.
Yeah. Got it. Wow.
So that is what, once you identify the trigger, block the trigger.
You're all set to go. You
Yeah.
can do everything.
Exactly.
And you need to know what will work for you. And you don't have to, because I think there is so much noise that is happening. Even in biohacking, the world of biohacking, longevity, every other day you will see a reel कि ये करो, ऐसा करो, वैसा करो.
वो भी contradiction भी है.
Contradiction.
कुछ लोग कहते हैं कॉफी पियो, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कॉफी मत पियो.
Exactly. So you hear so much, and if I don't know my system, I'm just going to try different things. I'm doing, window shopping.
Yeah.
और मैं हर चीज़ invite कर रही हूँ मेरे body के लिए. And I know that sometimes people suffer badly because it is not the same rule for everybody.
True.
I know people have gotten themselves hurt like badly due to high rocks. Maybe high rocks might be good. Like there's like people are doing high rocks to test their personal, endurance. For strength endurance, to test their levels. But I feel it's not the same for everybody. You need to know where you are at and you need to listen to your body.
Yeah. इनफैक्ट हमने जो देखा है कि जब आपने एक बार जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग करा in the proper way, in a very comprehensive way. Some people do minor tests like just testing the nutrition, testing for the fitness. You've done a complete decoding and you know what works and what doesn't work. किस तरह का जो मेरे लिए cardio exercises are not suitable for my genetic profile.
Yeah.
तो for me resistance training is pretty good. So कुछ लोगों के लिए दूसरा होगा तो उसके मुताबिक अगर आप आपने फाइन ट्यून कर दिया. Even supplements, I know there are lots of people who are buying supplements like without having any clue what they have to take.
Yeah.
At least if you are sick, you go to a doctor. Doctor knows what to write. But जब supplement के बारे में होता है तो हर एक influencer आके कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं तो लोग try करते भी रहते हैं.
हाँ.
In fact, some of those minerals can even trigger some gene variants.
Oh.
So
you have to be very careful of
yeah,
what
but
you're taking. The people
I'm saying, I'm not saying that all supplements, like vitamin C you need anyway. Vitamin E you need anyway.
Yeah.
Omega-3, of course, blindly you can take omega-3. Magnesium, आज के दिन में तो हर एक के लिए magnesium deficiency तो even we did this genetic testing and we found that 84% of the Indians are magnesium deprived genetically.
Oh.
So that's why magnesium is giving great results. The moment you take magnesium, people are getting results.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So there are some some stack which is very safe. But when you go deeper, कुछ स्पेसिफिक तरीके का जो सप्लीमेंट्स लेना शुरू कर दिया, तो उस टाइम तो मेरे ख्याल से आपको पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट्स योर जेनेटिक प्रोफाइल.
Okay, so now that we are talking about supplements, there is this one new supplement that people are talking about is NAD plus, which is responsible for longevity, which helps people live longer. And they say that the telomere, it helps to increase the tail of the telomere, because as we age, I think the tail shortens. And so, what is your take on NAD plus?
NAD plus or NAD or there's a precursor to NAD called NMN.
Okay.
These are definitely proven molecules, but the way it functions may be slightly different. Like when you're talking about telomeres are kind of caps at the end of the chromosomes. It's like the shoelace. You have the caps to hold that lace intact. Now, cells are always continuously dividing because you started with one cell, right? Your life started with one cell. Right now, you have got 20, 30 trillion cells. So they are continuously dividing and new cells are forming. The old cells are dying. Dying is not the right word. Generally, we call it as जो आपका पुराना सेल है वो senescent होता है और zombie cells होता है. तो उसके बाद that becomes a fuel for your mitochondria. Okay, that's the way it works, the body works.
Okay.
Now, interestingly, when the cells divide, every time the cell divides, of course, the chromosomes, there are 23 pairs of chromosome. Chromosome के जो end में है जो telomeres. So, the chromosome also divides, right? तो वहाँ पे ए टेलोमेर्स का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इसको होल्ड करने का है, यानी कि डैमेज ना होने के लिए. अदरवाइज इट मे गेट डैमेज्ड. नॉर्मली ए सेल डिवाइड्स अबाउट 40-50 टाइम्स. ओके तो 40-50 बार डिवाइड करने के बाद पूरा प्रेशर तो टेलोमेर्स के ऊपर है. तो एवरी टाइम द सेल डिवाइड्स टेलोमेर शॉर्टन्स. ओके और 40-50 बार डिवाइड करने के बाद तो टेलोमेर को ऐसा लगता है कि नाउ इफ द डिविजन गोज ऑन देयर कुड बी आई कैन नॉट मैनेज इट, सो इट विल सेंड अ सिग्नल एंड द डिविजन स्टॉप्स.
Okay.
देन दैट सेल बिकम्स सेनेसेंट सेल. इट्स कॉल्ड ज़ॉम्बी सेल्स.
Okay.
ज़ॉम्बी सेल्स बिकॉज वो सेल्स वहाँ पे होगा, वो तो ऐसे ही रोटेट करते रहेंगे.
But-
अगर उसको रिमूव नहीं किया तो दे सेंड सिग्नल्स, एंड व्हेन दे सेंड सिग्नल्स आपके इम्यून सेल्स को ऐसे लगेगा कोई बाहर से आया हुआ है,
Foreign body है.
so they will start firing. So this senescent cells needs to be consumed. Like the mitochondria has to burn it out. Mitochondria कब उसको burn करेगा? जब उनके पास कोई दूसरा फ्यूल नहीं है. अब continuously खाते रहते हैं, especially carbohydrates. So mitochondria is happy because mitochondria loves to burn glucose because that's the least energy required, least effort. So whenever there is glucose deprivation for a longer period of time, these kind of things will start getting burnt.
Oh.
So that is why you have to give a gap between your food. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कंटिन्यूसली हर एक घंटे में कुछ ना कुछ आपको खाते रहना है. I don't know what is the logic behind it. I've never seen any science behind it. Anyway, now what is the relevance of NAD? When you are these telomeres are shortening after every division, वो टेलोमेर्स को इंटैक्ट करने के लिए एक एंजाइम आता है, इसको कहते हैं टेलोमेरेज. सो दैट वो जो प्रोडक्शन के लिए NAD का एक रोल है. सो इफ यू आर गिविंग NAD, you can increase the level of or maintain the level of telomerase, that enzyme.
Okay.
That's one logic. Second logic is NAD is a communication molecule. Communication molecule यानी कि आपके सेल के अंदर इतने सारे काम चल रहा है ना.
बराबर है.
Almost it says that every second there are about 1 trillion different things happening inside your cell. And someone has to really give this communications one to another and all those kinds of elements which is happening inside your cells. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि आपके cells के अंदर जो genes है, genes are nothing but information. Right from your parents, they got the information. Your genes got the information about how tall you should grow, how your skin should be. All information is stored in the genes.
Yeah.
Along with the diseases also being stored, the information about diseases. Now, that one cell multiplied into 30 trillion cells, ना? तो यानी कि आपके आंखों के, आपके रेटिना के अंदर जो सेल है, और आपके हार्ट के अंदर जो सेल है सेम है.
Same.
They all carry all the genes.
Yeah.
Then how does it function differently? क्योंकि जो स्किन के ऊपर जो स्किन में जो सेल्स है, इसके अंदर जो इलास्टिसिटी से जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल जीन्स ऑन है, वो जीन्स बाकी जगह पे ऑफ
नहीं.
होगा.
Okay.
It's on here. Now that gene is on. So how does the tissues are formed? हमारे जो स्किन अगर आप देखिए तो हर एक हफ्ते चेंज होते रहते हैं. In fact, almost like 7 days. Now you have this information. The gene has got the information how to make the cell, how to make the tissue. तो दूसरा एक बंदा होता है, एक पार्टी होता है आरएनए. आरएनए आकर वो इंफॉर्मेशन का कॉपी लेते हैं और वो टिश्यू को मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं. दिस इज द प्रोसेस विच हैपेंस. अगर ये इंफॉर्मेशन सही तरीके से नहीं दिया तो जो मैन्युफैक्चर करने वाले में टिश्यू में भी डिफेक्ट हो सकता है.
हाँ, बिकॉज इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दिया है बराबर से.
नाउ इलास्टिसिटी इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन.
या
अगर वो इंफॉर्मेशन सही तरीके से ट्रांसफर नहीं हुआ तो नेक्स्ट बैच में जो प्रोडक्शन होने वाला है वहां पे इलास्टिसिटी कम होगा.
डिफॉल्ट. हाँ.
सो दैट यू कॉल इट एज एजिंग, राइट? सो यानी कि एनएडी का रोल कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर है, एनएडी का रोल टीलोमर्स के ऊपर है. सो एनएडी डज अ ग्रेट जॉब and naturally it is being found till now. I don't know, in future that also will be changed. After the age of 40 you have a natural decline of NAD in your body,
Okay.
up to 50% in 20 years. Okay, that's where you start seeing all the wrinkles coming in and all those stuff. So what's the solution? One is that you are supplying NAD from outside. NMN is a precursor, that is nicotinamide mononucleotide is a precursor. So once that reaches your body, it can produce, the body changes, converts that into NAD. That's one way of looking at it. और आप NAD डायरेक्टली दे रहे हैं, बट हाउ मच बॉडी इज अब्सॉर्बिंग, कितना इसका जो एफिकेसी है जब आप टैबलेट या कैप्सूल में खाते हैं, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस. बट व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग IV, NAD IV, there are direct impact,
Okay.
and we have seen it happening big time. So it has got results.
It has got results.
But under medical supervision. क्योंकि जब भी आप एक B vitamin को टच करते हैं, NAD and all is coming in that B category. It's if you look at NAD, you can see NMN as a precursor. उसके प्रीकर्सर होता है निकोटिनामाइड राइबोसाइड, NR कहते हैं. उसके प्रीकर्सर होता है नियासिनामाइड.
So ये सब पहले लेना है before you take an NAD.
No, that's body will. So the moment you get B3, the body can activate a pathway.
Okay.
Yeah, that pathway will produce NAD. That's normally. लेकिन बहुत सारे अलग अलग रीजन से pathway may be damaged or may not be functioning properly. That's the time you will have to inject. That's why I said that you need to have a medical supervision
Medical, you need
before you get. Not just from a cosmetic point of view or an aesthetic point of view. If you just look at it, मेरे ख्याल से अगर वो डॉक्टर इसको सही तरीके से समझते हैं तो ठीक है. Otherwise there can be consequences. Yeah.
So ये जो NAD plus है, आपने बोला कि this also gets produced in our body also
Absolutely,
naturally
100%.
when you're saying that कि when you're having these long fasting hours or where you are actually, as you said कि जब आप खाना नहीं खाते हो, mitochondria is going to take the glucose. मतलब if you cut on glucose for a certain period of time, are you increasing your NAD in the body?
No.
No.
I don't think that has got a direct connection with NAD.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a different pathway altogether.
Okay.
जब आपने ग्लूकोज कट कर दिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होता है कि योर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया विल स्टार्ट सर्चिंग फॉर अदर ऑप्शंस, फॉर द फ्यूल.
The zombie cells.
zombie cells है, प्रोटीन्स है, अमीनो एसिड्स यूज करेगा. और उसके बाद वो सब मिलने के बाद वो भी खत्म हो गया तो उसके बाद वो चेक करेगा कीटोन्स अवेलेबल है तो फैट. सो दैट्स द लास्ट थिंग व्हिच द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया बर्न्स.
Okay. But naturally, अगर if I want to keep my body producing NAD plus in a good way, so what can I do if I don't want to rely on supplements?
Number one is that you need to take a lot of antioxidants.
Okay.
See, body produces antioxidants. Like glutathione is the best antioxidant. उसको कहते हैं mother of all antioxidants.
Okay.
जो body produce करते हैं glutathione. So your liver has got an immense capacity to produce glutathione. बहुत सारे लोग अब glutathione इंजेक्ट भी करते हैं, IV में लेते हैं. कैप्सूल्स लेते हैं उसका मुझे पता नहीं है हाउ मच इट गेट्स एब्सॉर्ब्ड. IV has got results. People take it only for cosmetic or aesthetic purpose.
Yeah.
लेकिन अल्टीमेटली ग्लूटाथाइन का मेजर पर्पस है कि दैट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. प्लस यू नीड टू हैव अदर एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स लाइक द विटामिन E, विटामिन C, either through supplements or through food.
Yeah.
जब आप फूड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो what kind of food? Anything which contains a lot of anything which has got deep colors contains a lot of antioxidants like blueberry, strawberry, whatever, you are what is that? We have this something similar to blueberry in India also, right? The jamuns, jamuns. You have
Cranberries.
Yeah, you have coffee because it's a deep color, because coffee contains polyphenols. So anything which contains the deep colors, natural deep colors, has got a lot of antioxidants.
Okay.
So antioxidant को ज़्यादा आप देने से you can overall system बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम करेगा और it has got an impact on NAD also.
Okay. So aging के लिए भी this is like the hack कि आप antioxidants को भर के like make sure your antioxidants are like fully supplemented, like you are having them enough and you can actually reverse aging.
One of the specific molecules which is found to have greater impact on NAD is resveratrol. It's considered to be one of the very powerful antioxidants with a high ORAC value. So resveratrol is something which is derived from the grape's skin.
Okay.
Yeah. So which has got a deep purple color. But resveratrol as such is a very powerful antioxidant, and nowadays people are seeing great results with resveratrol.
Okay. So these are some natural food, which can actually give you great results.
Yeah, but it's very difficult to get all this natural food. That's the problem.
Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल से सबसे challenging आज के दिन में जो होता है, how do you get all this kinds of food that also with trust?
Yeah.
यानी कि आप कहते हैं ऑर्गेनिक, एट द सेम टाइम हमारे स्टेट केरला में एक लास्ट ईयर हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट ने एक जो ऑर्गेनिक वेजिटेबल स्टोर्स के ऊपर एक इंस्पेक्शन की और दे फाउंड दैट ऑलमोस्ट 56% ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक स्टोर्स were having the vegetables which are having chemical contents. So how do you depend on food? I don't know. I'm not very sure about it. Otherwise, आप इतना रिच होना चाहिए कि आपका खुद का एक किचन गार्डन है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग तरह का फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स और ग्रो करा रहा है और you have that. That's why sometimes I've heard many people talking negative about supplements, but I believe that you are living in a world you have no other choice. आपको विटामिन सी चाहिए ही चाहिए क्योंकि ह्यूमन बॉडी कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस विटामिन सी. अदर एनिमल्स कैन प्रोड्यूस विटामिन सी बट वी कैन नॉट. वी नीड विटामिन सी. दैट्स व्हाई हर एक आप देखें तो 10 लोगों को देखें उसमें 8 लोगों का जो कोल्ड होगा या कफ होगा कुछ ना कुछ होगा. इट्स बिकॉज देयर इम्यूनिटी इज इन बैड शेप एंड बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग विटामिन सी. हाउ डू यू गेट इट? सिट्रस फ्रूट्स इज अ रिचेस्ट सोर्स. आंवला रिचेस्ट सोर्स. कितना आप खाते हो? दैट्स द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो I depend on supplement on this. Or that's a fact. अगर कुछ लोग अच्छा नहीं लगेगा जब इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी कहते हैं कि you have to get everything from food. That's a great idea. But I don't have that kind of time and money. Seriously.
Yeah. So it's like if it's there, why not? But are there any side effects of these supplements where there's so much noise about कि मत लो supplements? What do you think is the side effect that people will face due to having supplements? ऐसा कुछ है, उसको flip side है?
कुछ चीज़ें ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे आप सेफली ले सकते हैं कुछ सप्लीमेंट्स. जैसे कि विटामिन सी योर बॉडी नेवर प्रोड्यूसेस. ओके, इफ यू कैन गेट नेचुरल विटामिन सी ग्रेट. विटामिन ई once in a while you can take vitamin E to अगर otherwise you can get it from almonds and different things. Omega-3 fatty acids, the best source is of course the krill oil or the salmon fish. ये सब आपको सार्डाइन फिश देते हैं आपको ओमेगा-3. बट how much you require now, especially in a very very kind of polluted environment, you need more of this kind of antioxidants and omega-3s. So these are safe things what you can take. Magnesium, most of the people are deprived of magnesium. क्योंकि मैग्नीशियम आपको हर एक दिन 400 मिलीग्राम चाहिए आपके खाने से. Where do you get it from?
Yeah.
Green leafy vegetables, moringa.
मोरिंगा.
But
कितना खाओगे? I think there is a limit.
and how do you get it? The only thing what I always want people to do is that they should be mindful about what they are buying. You know, which brand and who is behind that brand. They should be very very careful about it. आप अगर प्राइस देख के सप्लीमेंट परचेज करना शुरू कर दिया तो एक खतरनाक खेल होगा. क्योंकि हम भी सप्लीमेंट मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं, यानी कि हमारा भी प्रोडक्ट्स है, हमको पता है इसका कॉस्ट कितना होता है. You know, I'll just give you one example because this is very scary. Even I have that product in my shelf. There is a great combination of antioxidants. It's called resveratrol plus NMN plus quercetin. Quercetin is also another powerful agent. So this combination, मैं सोच रहा था हम एक बार हमारे कंपनी में इस कॉम्बिनेशन लेके आना है हाईएस्ट क्वालिटी में. बट ऑनेस्टली टेलिंग यू इट वाज नॉट वायबल. क्योंकि जब आप एक बॉटल मार्केट में डालते हैं तो कितने तक लोग पे कर सकते हैं. तो व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट इट, इफ आई वांटेड टू रियली गिव इट टू द राइट काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी इन इंडिया, मुझे तो एक बोतल के लिए तो मिनिमम 4,000 से ऊपर चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. तो आई वॉज नॉट वेरी श्योर हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन अफोर्ड
इट. या.
Now all of a sudden Amazon I'm seeing a brand with the same kind of thing. Resveratrol, NMN, quercetin, 750 rupees for 90 capsules. Impossible. कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चर भी नहीं कर सकते हैं इस प्राइस में. मार्केटिंग को छोड़ दो.
या.
So that means must be only some kind of fillers.
या.
Hopefully not dangerous, but some fillers which can give some placebo effect. So I think when
have
it
to
comes
be very
to
careful.
when it comes to supplements, मेरे ख्याल से especially Amazon से purchase कर रहे हैं तो definitely go to the company store and buy it. Because there are so much of duplicates out here, especially in protein space. I don't know what percentage is duplicates.
Got it.
So supplements a great idea. I love it. I take it for the last 20 years, and I have seen the benefits.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरा पिताजी, he had this heart attack at the age of 48 and he died at the age of 62. My mother suffered from cancer. So in our family, a lot of things are running. But by God's grace, till now, I have never been touched by any of those kind of negative elements. Till now, I believe that to a great extent, उसका reason है कि I've been on proper nutrition.
Nutrition, yeah, it matters. So if I have to ask you, because you are into biohacking and longevity, now we've spoken about cold plunges, we've spoken about fasting. I want to know what's your secret. What is Sajeev's routine like, that people can get an insight to? Like, how is your morning different from a morning of a normal person? ऐसा आप क्या सुबह करते हो, रात को करते हो? What are the hacks?
Telling you very frankly, I don't really maintain a routine.
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरा जो शौक है, मेरा जो पैशन है, health of course I love, but I'm more keen on neuroscience.
Okay.
I do a lot of work on the space and helping people to change their thought process. So I believe in a concept called neuroplasticity. So neuroplasticity ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे neurons has to get connected with new neurons.
Yes.
So if you put your brain onto a small normal routine, you are actually working against neuroplasticity. That's with my limited knowledge I'm telling you. So I always wanted to give variety. जैसे कि हमारा जो सिचुएशन क्या है, हमारे ब्रेन जैसे काम करते हैं, इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. टुनाइट व्हेन यू गो बैक होम, आपके जो डाइनिंग रूम के अंदर डाइनिंग टेबल है और उसके देयर मे बी अबाउट मे बी 8 chairs, and I can guarantee that you will sit on the same chair every single night having the dinner, even though there are other 7 chairs. Right?
Yeah.
Because the brain doesn't want you to change anything.
Got it.
So it wants to make you live in the familiarity zone. इसलिए बहुत सारे लोग अगर liability में हैं, they stay in liability because their brain wants them to stay in liability because that's a familiar thing. Now the problem is if you really wanted to come out of those kind of things, and अगर आपको आप जिस तरह का जिंदगी बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, तो आपका ब्रेन को बहुत वल्नरेबल बनाना है. So if the moment you start giving more and more routines, you are training, you are actually surrendering yourself to your brain.
Also, are you aging faster if you're like in a routine?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
No doubt.
Routines can age you faster.
That's what I believe, because I believe in neuroplasticity. I believe that the neurons have to continuously fire and get new connections, which will happen only when you have new things, newer experiences happening every time. You know? So, yes, of course, when I say that, I do maintain certain healthy regimens. One is that मेरे पास मेरा जो एप्लीमो, दैट इज़ द जेनेटिक रिपोर्ट है, तो उसके मुताबिक मैंने जो खाना है, जो नहीं खाना है, जिस तरह का सप्लीमेंट का स्टॉक मैंने बनाया है, सो विच इज़ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी वेरी वेल. So I've also done my microbiome testing so that I know that what kind of strains are missing, what kind of strains are damaging strains. Luckily, I never had much of, but I could build a good, flora and fauna in my gut, which is possible now. We do that in V Roots for a lot of people. Now, so I have my kind of blueprint. मेरे पास है.
Yeah.
That's one thing. तो जब भी मैं जो भी खाता हूँ, मुझे पता है कि आई एम कॉन्शियस, इज दिस समथिंग व्हिच आई शुड टेक और आई शुडंट टेक. कितना कप कॉफ़ी मेरे लिए सेफ है. सो व्हेन आई क्रॉस मे बी थर्ड कप, आई नो दैट आई एम गेटिंग इनटू अ रिस्की जोन नाउ. सो दैट्स वन. बट व्हेन यू लुक एट अ डेली रूटीन और डेली रेजिमेन, मेरे लिए एक दिन पिछले दिन का जो इवनिंग से शुरू होता है.
Okay.
So I consider 24 hours from 6 p.m. to next day 6 p.m.
Got it.
Because your tomorrow starts today evening. आप जब सनसेट के बाद जो भी आप करते हैं, उसका इम्पैक्ट ज़रूर कल के दिन के ऊपर आपका जो ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर होगा. Starting with, if you have taken coffee after 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock after sunset, definitely will have an negative impact on the sleep.
Sleep. Yeah.
Number 2. Are you giving a 2 to 3 hours gap between your dinner and your sleeping time? Which is very, very essential. क्योंकि आप जब सोने के लिए जा रहा है तो your stomach has to be relaxed. If it is still working and digesting and all those stuff, it's not good. Are you giving some free time for your eyes from the blue light, the screen,
Yeah.
before you sleep? So sleep has to be prioritized.
So you think like sleep is something that you swear by?
Yeah, कल का जो पैनल डिस्कशन में भी वो immediate my answer was the non-negotiable is sleep, because if I mess up my sleep, my next day is gone. Maybe I am a very possibility thinker. So who knows? Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day on which I'm going to meet someone who is going to give me an opportunity whereby I may be able to open a new multi-billion-dollar company.
Got
And
it.
I don't want to miss it.
Yeah.
Just because I didn't sleep well. So I won't compromise on that. 6-7 घंटे का जो अच्छा quality sleep, that's non-negotiable. Timing, it's okay, like, some people sleep at 10, some people sleep at 10, 11 o'clock, whatever it is. And I start my day with 3 glasses of water. Once in a while I take curcumin, if I feel a bit inflamed for some reasons, because must have मैंने कुछ late night कुछ काम था और उसके बाद I went to bed and maybe I feel a bit of inflammation. And anybody can test whether you're inflamed or not in the morning itself. अगर आप एक ring wear कर रहे हैं, just try to remove the ring, and if it is tight, you're inflamed.
Inflamed.
And हर एक दिन ऐसे हो रहा है तो कुछ गलत है, कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है.
हाँ, तो
You have to be
रोज
very
if
careful.
you're getting up inflamed, you better get your
You
system
have to, yeah, absolutely.
checked.
You have to go for a blood test and see all the inflammatory markers. There must be something really, really serious going on in your body. And I start my day with a coffee. We have a coffee in V Roots. We have a V Cafe, which is a coffee with ashwagandha, ginseng, and brahmi.
Okay.
I brought it for you, Aban.
Would love to try it.
Yeah, so I start my day with that, and either some days I try that, some days I go with a black coffee, freshly ground black coffee with deshi ghee.
Okay.
Because I always give that variety into that also. I don't want to stick to one. Because I have found that one very good thing from the Indian food system is the ghee, the deshi ghee.
Yeah.
The ghee which is being made from A2 milk.
Yeah.
because that's a favorite thing to create short chain fatty acids, which are super critical for your health.
It's very gut friendly also. Like
Very
when-
gut friendly,
Yeah,
yeah.
like I have a teaspoon of ghee before sleeping at night, and the next
Excellent.
morning,
Yeah.
it helps me a lot.
Take the ghee and keep it in your mouth and chew it for some time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
I'll try it.
because the saturated fats are being broken down in the mouth itself, so it has got a very important effect. And I love breakfast, and I always really have a good time with the breakfast.
Okay. So you
The-
enjoy your breakfast.
I enjoy my breakfast, and
Yeah.
I don't eat a lot. I eat less, and I take some time to eat. And I believe in chewing. Okay, so lunch, dinner, all these things I take very little quantity. I take some time so that if अगर आप 20 बार 25 बार chew करना शुरू कर दिया, तो your brain will send a signal to your gut saying that hey, done. मुझे तो लग रहा है कि ब्रेन ने जो आपका जो कैपेसिटी ऑफ इनटेक हैज़ बीन ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड, यानी कि उनको ऐसा लगता होगा कि ये बंदा 40 टाइम्स च्यू करे तो 1 मील इज ओवर. So that 40 times I can actually take one bread and I can keep on chewing. That's also a possibility. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, you're right. Because kabhi it's just the signal कि you're not पेट भरा ही नहीं है, and maybe it's just to do with
Yeah.
your chewing. The
Yeah.
more time you will chew,
Yeah.
the brain is like, okay, I'm full now.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And all the time, the most important thing, जब आप डेली रेजिमेन के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो जो प्रैक्टिस मैंने किया है, वो जो मेरा जो PhD मैंने जो किया है, वो थॉट प्रोसेस री इंजीनियरिंग कॉग्निटिव बिहेवियरल स्टडीज़ के ऊपर है. तो उस टाइम से लेके मैं जो प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, और उस टाइम मैं जो उस सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर स्टडी कर रहा था, उस टाइम से लेके मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, जो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द थॉट कॉन्शियसनेस.
Okay.
So I am always conscious about my thoughts. तो मैं जब भी मेरे ब्रेन के अंदर जो भी थॉट्स आता हूँ, तो आई बिकम वेरी कॉन्शियस. व्हाट इज़ दैट आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट? इज इट दैट व्हाट आई वांट? नो. व्हाट इज़ दैट आई वांट? सो आई चेंज माई थॉट्स. So this is one of my very interesting exercises what I do with my brain,
Okay.
and it gives me wonderful results.
Results? Yeah, I think it's also like how you think about yourself. What is your self-talk?
Most of the people are not conscious about the thoughts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can guarantee that. People who are talking about overthinking, मेरे ख्याल से आप भी बहुत लोगों का काउंसिल और कोचिंग करते हैं, तो जब भी कुछ लोग आपसे कहते हैं कि स्नेहा, द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट आई एम हैविंग ओवर थिंकिंग. सपोज शी इज टॉकिंग टू यू एट 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Ask her, okay, you mean to say that you're thinking a lot? Yeah. Take a sheet of paper, write from the morning till now, whatever you thought, write it down. You will be surprised. She won't be able to write more than 10 things.
Yeah.
और आप उनसे पूछ लीजिए कि इतने खंडों में आपने 10 ही चीज़ों के बारे में सोचा?
सोचा है.
No, I don't remember what I thought.
Yeah.
So that means your brain is being trespassed. आपके प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर आप किसी को घुसने नहीं देंगे, लेकिन आपके ब्रेन के अंदर जो भी सोच आते हैं वो आप घुसने देंगे.
Yes.
So you have to be conscious about it. Trespassers should not be allowed.
Yeah. Very true. And I think how you talk to yourself, how you feel, it really matters. Like, I mean, when we are talking about also living a long life, you want to live a very happy life, it really matters of what you're trying to talk yourself.
Yeah.
I see so many people, they are having the best of nutrition. They are doing everything it takes. Maybe they have those variables on, they are tracking their
Yeah.
biomarkers, they have it all on. But if their self-talk is not very positive with themselves, it creates a very stressed environment for the body.
Absolutely.
And I think that is where you're
The most dominating thing in your entire system, when you say system includes your biology, neurology, your psychology.
Yeah.
The entire system, if you look at it, the most powerful thing is your thoughts. उसमें कोई doubt ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
And this one thing that called the thought can change the entire systems. It
Yeah.
can affect your digestion, it can affect your metabolic functions, वो आपके mitochondrial function को influence कर सकते हैं, हर एक चीज़ को influence कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
So you said it right. I know there are lots of people who are having all these kinds of wearables and all those kinds of fancy things, but at the same time thinking that not being able to manage their thoughts in the right way.
Yeah. What do you think? Who is more likely to age faster? Somebody who eats the wrong food or somebody who is emotionally not happy?
Emotionally not happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So food can be taken care of
Yeah.
when it comes to aging, but if you are emotionally
See,
fulfilled.
even Sneha, look at this. Yeah, emotionally not fulfilled. That's a great statement. जब हम ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं, सुबह 3 ग्लास ऑफ वाटर और उसके बाद ये करने के लिए तो आपके मन में वो ड्राइव होना चाहिए ना.
Yeah.
So if you are not having that emotional fulfillment or emotionally you are not lift up, you are not going to do it.
Yeah.
आपको जिम में जाना इतना आसान तो नहीं है. I've been going to gym for the last almost 5-6 years. Even now, given a chance, I won't go. Because you need that kind of drive.
Yeah.
मैं खुद ही पूछता हूँ यानी कि अरे यार ये क्या है यानी कि ये स्कूल कोई एग्जाम नहीं है. यू गो देयर एंजॉय बट स्टिल फील लाइक ओके टुडे I'll skip somehow or other.
हाँ.
So the point is you need to have that drive. वो जो drive है, वो जो emotional fulfillment जैसे आपने कहा, that is the most important thing. And all the thoughts which are connected to that, they are the most important things to drive you faster.
Yeah, but people are getting lonelier. People don't believe in communities anymore. I feel like कि that whole जैसे आपने बोला कि मैं सुबह उठ के मैं 3 ग्लास पानी, मैं मेरा वर्कआउट, मुझे मेरी तरीके से ज़िंदगी लाइक मेरा फूड अलग से होना चाहिए. आई हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ फूड, दिस इज़ माई नाइट रूटीन. Great, you have a routine, you're doing it all. But I feel जो मज़ा है ना, the fun part, the community, the human connection is sort of getting missed in all of this because people are getting so rigid. जैसे आपने बोला that you don't have a routine, okay? Like you are a longevity coach, okay? Who's cracked it, you're helping people peak performance and you don't have a routine and you believe that it's okay. One day cannot be similar to the other day and that's the spice that keeps you younger.
Absolutely.
But I feel सब करके भी people are getting lonelier, relationships are not working out, and you see like these books where they talk about the blue zones of the world where people live the
longer 100 plus
longest
centenarians. Yeah.
And the key is also emotional fulfillment that tops it, like human connection.
Yeah, absolutely. अगर आप blue zones के बारे में जहाँ पे भी लिखा है आप पढ़े तो you can actually Google search and find out.
Yeah.
There are few factors what is helping them to live a longer, healthier life. One critical factor is the social connect. The way they spend their evenings with their loved ones. They laugh a lot.
Yeah.
Having a glass of red wine and having a good time.
हाँ, यहाँ पे मैं सैलेड खा रही हूँ but मेरा मुंह I'm not laughing. I'm like, it's a punishment. I need
that's
to
what
live.
I'm saying. Some people, see, if you just go with the, shortcuts, कुछ लोग कहते हैं, यानी कि red wine is good, somebody else, red wine is bad. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
हर एक चीज excess लेते हैं, तो it is going to damage you. Whether it is alcohol, whether it is coffee, whether it is sugar, as long as it is at an enjoyable limit.
Yeah.
And it's moderate. Everything works for you. That's what I have seen.
Yeah.
मैं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ जैसा I won't use sugar is white sugar is poison. Come on, I don't believe that white sugar is poison. जब तक मेरे अंदर वो विश्वास नहीं है तो मेरे लिए कोई असर नहीं पड़ता इससे. Seriously मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Yeah, you are in the perfect flow state. I can see that you don't have too many do's and don'ts. ये करना ही चाहिए, ये नहीं ही करना चाहिए. I
See,
think
if you get attached too much with anything, whether it's relations, whether it is food, whether it is money, you're gone.
Yeah, so true.
As long as you're not that attached with anything, I'm okay.
Yeah.
I experience the moment, and go ahead. Like, अगर आपको कॉफ़ी पीना है, I've seen some experts saying that don't drink coffee. If you love coffee, you should drink coffee. Who stops you? But if you're going to take 7 cups of coffee, that's your problem.
Yeah.
So, because everything what God has made has got some goodness in it.
Yeah.
Coffee, whether there is any goodness, absolutely. Coffee is rich with polyphenols. Polyphenols is powerful antioxidants. आपके body के लिए very essential antioxidants it contains. People are looking only the caffeine part of coffee. Caffeine, forget about caffeine. You have so much of polyphenols inside. And caffeine also is not bad in limited quantities.
Got it.
So, sugar, is it bad? I don't think so. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके brain especially loves glucose. It thrives on glucose.
Yeah.
If you are diabetic, if you are having insulin resistance, ये sugar का problem नहीं है, आपका mitochondrial function का problem है. तो आप क्यों sugar को blame कर रहे हैं?
अच्छा,
And some
तो
people are going, some people are going and saying that white sugar is a problem, jaggery is fine. Who told you this? Because white sugar, if you check the glycemic index, is much lower than your jaggery. Jaggery has got a higher glycemic index. So, no, jaggery has got some minerals inside. How much? I can better get those minerals as supplements. So, what I'm talking about is that if we are making sense, अगर आप हर एक चीज़ मॉडरेट तरीके से करना सीखे तो हर एक चीज़ आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
आपको पता होना चाहिए बस कि and I think it's all about the emotional state.
Yeah.
I think being happy is like the quickest hack to increase your lifespan. I think if you can actually be happy and be like somebody who is a curious person to explore the world, अगर आप actually एक fulfilled life जीना चाहते हो.
स्नेहा, वो सही है, लेकिन लोगों को पता नहीं है कैसे हैप्पी होना है.
हाँ.
प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज वी आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग एट व्हाट वी डोंट हैव.
Yeah.
स्पेशली जब सोशल मीडिया भी आपके पास है तो वो इनके लाइफ देख लो, वो तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया और उसके बाद अमेरिका गया, हम तो कहाँ गए, हमारे ज़िंदगी में कुछ ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है.
हाँ.
So you are comparing yourself with other people's lives.
Yeah.
And you're forgetting about the fact that you have got a beautiful garden in front of you.
Yeah.
Maybe that you can actually walk. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाके भी आप एक गार्डन में ही जाने वाला है. यहाँ पे जाके तो एटलीस्ट जो भी गार्डन आपके सामने है, can you just experience it maybe in the morning when you wake up? Some people come and say that, oh, I'm really disappointed, like in the sense I don't know, there's no value in living. जैसे कि मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ भी नहीं करने का है जिंदगी में. I'm so disappointed. I said that I agree to all that point, but you have one reason to be excited today. वो क्या है? You are alive.
Yeah.
You woke up today morning. हजारों लोग आज सुबह they didn't even see the sun.
Yeah. So true.
But do you think that's your merit? It's because you have all this qualification you woke up today? You think that it's all because of your muscles you woke up today? No, we have no idea.
Yeah.
So at least if that can be appreciated, अगर हम उसके ऊपर ग्रेटफुलनेस एक्सप्रेस करना शुरू कर दे आपके अंदर, आर्टिफिशियली नहीं, नेचुरली. आजकल बहुत सारे ट्रेनिंग चलता है ना, ग्रेटिट्यूड ट्रेनिंग है, ट्रेनिंग. So naturally, you think about all those good things which is happening around you. Everybody has got a lot of good things going on. Of course, there are other things which are not happening also.
Got it.
जब आपका फोकस कहाँ पे है, अगर आपका फोकस बीमारियों के ऊपर है, तो definitely that's what you are going to have it.
Yeah.
And if your focus is on health, I've seen some people who are suffering from some chronic illnesses but still happy.
Yeah.
2 हफ्ते पहले हमारे सेंटर पे वीरूट्स बायोहैक सेंटर कोचिन, वहाँ पे एक लेडी आई थी. शी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम 4th stage कैंसर. आई couldn't make out. She was like, she lit, completely lit up the entire place, with laughter and happiness and all those stuff. And she lives in the US, US or UK, US, Indian. And she has gone through chemo and all those kinds of sufferings, and after that she decided that, okay, I will take it my way.
Got it.
And she's saying that, okay, I'm having nutritional IVs now, I'm having all this, I'm doing meditations, breath works, and I'm having happy time. So now she's saying that I feel like I don't have that disease going in my body now.
Yeah. Wow.
And she believes. And now her focus is on health. She's fully focused on health. She's going to the gym, she's doing this, that, nutritional IVs, infrared sauna. She's totally focused on health, and automatically health will grow.
Yeah. So your emotional state also needs to be in par with your health. Like physically आप सब कर रहे हो, लेकिन emotionally if you're not there, it's not going to benefit you.
Doesn't going to work.
Yeah.
Doesn't going to work.
Yeah. I want to ask you one hack. For example, आपने बोला कि आप next day चालू करते हो शाम को 6 बजे से एक दिन पहले.
Correct.
Okay, now if I've had a stressful day, okay, now I know that before I go to bed, I don't want to sleep with this stress. So that the next day I'm all pumped up for the next morning. What can I do that I kind of release that stress before going to bed? Like I know that my body can feel the tension of the stress because we carry it, right? Like it's maybe like work stress, it could be the polluted environment, the traffic, the boss, a lot of things. But पता है stress है, अभी सबको पता है. I think the viewers also know that, but they want to shake off that stress before they go to bed. What can they do?
There are a few things which are natural way, and also say a few hacks. One is definitely before you go to bed, of course, whatever stress you are going through, still once you reach home, जहाँ पे आपका जो प्रैक्टिस है, जैसे आपका जो डिनर और स्लीपिंग टाइम के बीच में जो गैप है, चाहे वो मोबाइल फ़ोन यूज़ करने का जो तरीका है, this kind of discipline you'll have to keep, number one. Number two, I think as I told you, the best way to access your nervous system is through your breath.
Okay.
So maybe some people may not have that mind to do it. Like, I don't feel like doing it.
Yeah.
But still, maybe forcefully you may have to put good music there and then start breathing in and breathing out. कुछ टाइम के लिए तो रेसिस्टेंस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपका जो स्ट्रेस चल रहा है, जो भी चल रहा है, माइंड इज स्टिल वर्किंग. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम इट हैज टू सरेंडर. क्योंकि because that's physiology, not psychology. See, the moment you start practicing longer exhalations, automatically आपका जो parasympathetic nervous system activate होना ही है.
बस आपको उसको एक्टिवेट करना है.
So the moment it is activated, your cortisol will drop. There is no other way.
It's so easy.
Yeah, what I'm saying is, कुछ लोग मुझसे response दिया है, sir, yeah, I understand, but when I close my eyes and I start focusing on my breath, I'm not able to focus on my breath. I feel that stress is increasing. I said, cool, do it. It is just artificial. आपके ब्रेन को जो भी सिखाया है, हर एक चीज आपने आर्टिफिशियली सिखाया है.
Got it.
You learned cycling artificially.
Yeah.
You learned driving very artificial. In the beginning, it was very artificial.
Difficult, yeah.
Even those people who smoke, in the beginning, they never enjoyed that smoke and the taste.
Yeah.
But now it is so natural. So train it. Because
Train it for the good things.
Brain is the most trainable organ. And the most interesting thing is that एक बार brain को train किया तो permanent हो गया. तो जैसे आपका biceps को आपने 3 महीने के लिए train किया और उसके बाद 6 महीने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया, तो you will lose the biceps. That muscle won't be there that much. But brain आपने 3 महीने के लिए train कर दिया, permanent हो गया.
मतलब वो pathways बना दिए आपने एक बार.
The question is that, are you training it in the right way or the wrong way? That's the only thing. If you're not training your brain, the brain will be getting trained by somebody else.
Got it.
Now, third, when it comes to stress, I believe magnesium does a great job.
Okay.
Anyone can try magnesium and see the results. And I have seen hundreds and thousands of people thanking that one mineral. Because magnesium has got that capacity, either magnesium citrate or magnesium glycinate, about 250 milligram to 400 milligram in the night with the dinner if you take, you can definitely see the difference in terms of dropping the cortisol level, getting a better sleep. आपका stress में ज़्यादा control आप पा चुके होंगे. So these are some of the things which are coming offhand in my mind.
Right, okay. So this is how I can shake off some stress before I start my next day.
Magnesium does a great job. Breath does a great job. And अगर आप जहाँ पे wherever you are living and you have a good outdoors, it's a great idea to go outdoors. And outdoors have got a natural calming effect on your nervous system.
So like have a walk or something like that. Okay.
But you have to take a decision, like in the sense I have to come out of it. That's the most important thing.
Got it. Okay.
बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होता है कि जब स्ट्रेस में आता है तो वो एक जगह पे बैठते हैं, सोचते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है, क्यों चल रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है ज़िंदगी में सब, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है, ही इज बिल्डिंग स्ट्रेस अगेन.
That loop.
Rather than coming out of
Coming out of it. So I have one question for people who want to start their health journey and towards longevity. You've given some great free sources like breathwork hai, be happy, like the most simple ones, okay? And then there are these big ones also which you can bring into your life like cold plunges hai, sauna hai, and all of those.
genetic testing, microbiome.
Yeah. I have 5,000 rupees, okay? For somebody who wants to invest 5,000 a month to actually improve their longevity and they want to biohack their system, where do you think they can start with? Like 5,000 rupees में क्या कर सकता है वो person?
सी फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपको कोई पैसा की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, यानी कि जैसे ब्रेथवर्क के लिए पैसे की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
हाँ.
At least twice in a week you go grounding in, like, barefooted, you walk on the lawn or the soil. That's great, fantastic biohack. Because आपके बॉडी के अंदर 30-40 ट्रिलियन सेल्स है. Each cell is like a battery which has got an electromagnetic field.
Okay.
So the major electromagnetic field on which we are working on is the earth.
Yeah.
So हर एक चीज़ जो इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट आपके घर पे है वो सब अर्थ किया हुआ है ना. इट इज earthed. So our body is not earthed. We are not touching the earth.
Okay.
So at least twice in a week we have to touch the earth. No paisa required.
Yeah.
Sorry?
मतलब चप्पल मत पहनो, जाओ खुद
Yeah,
को
in
ground
fact you can
करो.
save money.
Yes.
You don't require a footwear for that.
Exactly.
Okay. Now third is that great connect with the right kind of people. Great connections. जहाँ पे आपको उस तरह का जो फीलिंग्स देते हैं, जहाँ पे आपको अच्छा लगता है, कि यू फील गुड. जब आप फील गुड करते हैं तो यू हैव गॉट दोस neurochemicals like the serotonin, the oxytocin are all coming in, and they are all having a great role in longevity. Now, these are some of the things. Then getting back to the basics like having the proper sleep and drinking enough water, these are all critical for longevity. These are all not substitutes for any kind of supplements.
पानी पियो बहुत सारा.
At least 2 to 3 liters of water, and do everything possible to come out of chronic stress. Chronic stress आपका choice है. I always say that having pain is okay, but staying miserable is your choice.
Yeah.
हमारे ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होता है जहाँ पे कुछ पेनफुल चीज़ें भी होता है, लेकिन staying miserable is your choice. You have to come out of it.
Yeah.
So all these biohacks, if you look at it, zero cost. अगर फिर भी आपके पास 5,000 रुपये हैं तो I think you can look for some basic supplements which are required. जैसे कि definitely magnesium I will definitely recommend.
Okay.
Omega-3 I will recommend. Omega-3 the best sources like krill oil. I will definitely recommend a vitamin C. Because that's immunity is very super critical.
Got it.
Yeah, so these are some of the
These
things
are
what I
things.
believe. Yeah.
They're super doable, I feel.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
people just need to start doing it.
Yeah.
What do you think is the future of where we are heading towards? Like where people are freezing themselves to live longer, and there are these, temple wearables where people are tracking every other thought, emotion, and all of this. What do you think with AI coming in, and you also hold the summit in Dubai,
Yeah.
where you do the biohacking summit, and you must be meeting so many people,
Yeah.
and who are kind of telling us how the future is going to look like.
That's right.
So
Yeah.
can you tell me what does the future of humans look like? Are we
Yeah.
going to live more than 100 years?
Absolutely, that's one. I don't think anyone can predict future right now at this point of time. Maybe 10 years back people used to predict, but now the way things are changing, कोई भी predict नहीं कर सकते क्या होने वाला है आने वाले 5 साल के अंदर. एक चीज़ तो बहुत क्लियर है, जो मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री में जो चेंजेस 30 साल में होने का था, those things will happen in the next 3 years.
That fast?
Yes, with the advent of AI and IoTs, and also the kind of more focus given on genetics, And now people are understanding decoding the microbiomes and understanding the kind of bacteria which is there.
Yeah.
So, if you ask me what's the future, I think you are asking this question at the very, very interesting time because एक साल पहले जब हम एज रिवर्सल के बारे में बात करते थे तो लोग हंसते थे.
Yeah.
Now people cannot laugh. You cannot put any sarcastic comment because US FDA has approved human trials on age reversal and it's going on for the last 3 months right now. तो ये रिसर्च के मुताबिक यानी कि ये ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स के मुताबिक इसका जो ट्रायल्स को जो हेड करने वाले साइंटिस्ट के मुताबिक जब दिस कम्स आउट ह्यूमन विल बी एबल टू रिवर्स देयर एज 75% in 6 months.
Oh, wow. That's
So-
unbelievable. I mean, where are we heading towards? Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
So, they're finding out different genes which can, when it is activated, they can really work towards, reversing the age. एक सेल आपका मिल गया, एक सेल, that cell can be reversed back to something called a pluripotent cell. So there are lots of things happening in this space. मेरे ख्याल से AI का जो एडवांसमेंट है उसमें मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट तो ह्यूमन बायोलॉजी के ऊपर ही होने वाला है. And the interesting thing is that AI is going to take over most of the jobs.
Yeah.
So you're going to have a very interesting time. That means आप ज़्यादा साल तक absolute health के साथ जिएंगे, कोई काम करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं होगा. So that means that's a very interesting space.
Yeah, yeah.
So that means I believe that we will go back to that old model of community living and spending more time with people because you have lots of money. You have no job to do. Then
Yeah.
what you do? You enjoy your time. You enjoy. So entertainment industry will boom. Sports will boom. All the kind of things which are connected with social connectivity will have a great time.
So we can use it for our benefit. Like use
Absolutely.
AI
I
to
believe-
automate your stuff and वो time जो है आपके
Yeah.
पास use it to spend
Yeah,
it with
I
your
believe
loved
we are going to
ones.
get into a very exciting time. That's
Yeah.
why I tell people and people laugh at me. I say that some or other, आप 5 साल के लिए hold करो. Some or other, you just live for 5 more years. I can tell you that you're going to live for 120 years.
That's crazy.
Because in 5 years' time, that kind of things are going to come in the world. जहाँ पे common people also will be able to target for 120. Because now when we talk about all those kinds of things, these are with very rich people.
Yeah.
But now technology is coming. Like when I did my genetic testing way back in 2005 in the US, उस टाइम इंडियन रुपीस से कंपेयर करें तो तकरीबन 3 लाख रुपए का था. आज हम वी रूट्स में जो इतना कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग कराते हैं और वी टेस्ट फॉर अबाउट 275 हेल्थ कंडीशंस एंड गिव द रिकमेंडेशन काउंसलिंग एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर इन 30,000 रुपीज़. सो आने वाले टाइम पे वो टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ने के टाइम पे यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एवरीथिंग सो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव.
So even the common man is going to be able
That's
to
what I'm saying.
use
Exactly.
it. Interesting.
That's the future.
Wow. It's an exciting. I think people are very fearful also कि क्या होने वाला है. But I'm so happy to see the energy and the vibe that you're giving that it's going to be
I think it's going to be the most exciting times.
most exciting.
Yeah.
Wow.
5 साल आप जैसे भी हो जियो.
Wow. Beautiful.
Live for 5 more years.
And you'll see wonders
Yeah,
happen.
yeah.
Yeah. We are talking about, you've spoken about like how biohacking and longevity works, but there is also a very big misconception that it's the same for males and females. A lot of people, like as a female, I made that mistake.
All right.
That मैंने fasting का कोई reel देख के I tried doing it the same
Okay.
way and I kind of suffered during that phase.
Yeah.
So I feel, what do you have to say about males and females? How is biohacking different for them? And also I see that a lot of wearables that we wear today are made for male compositions. Like they study the male human anatomy
Yeah.
and it's made for that segment.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I think you're right. I think in some aspects, definitely we should be careful. For example, cold plunge. Cold plunge, definitely women go through the periods and the cycles. And during the periods, what's happening inside your body is that body itself is trying to cool, like, and it's actually the internal cooling mechanism is going on.
Okay.
उस टाइम आप जाके कोल्ड प्लंज के अंदर घुस गया तो naturally it's creating a huge cortisol burst, which can lead to lot of problems. It is you can have uterine cramps, you can have problems like progesterone getting converted into, because the moment the cortisol goes a very higher level, it will consume your progesterone to convert into cortisol.
Yeah.
And the moment the progesterone is converted, you will be having an estrogen high. Then you have, the cycles may go haywire and all those kinds of stuff. So, definitely this kind of controlled stress, whether it is HIIT or cold plunge, not at all advisable during the periods.
Periods, yeah.
During the ovulation, that may be the first 1 week, 10 days, that's the time you can have it at the best. And you get the best results during that time.
Got it.
Intermittent fasting, almost the same thing. Intermittent fasting for women especially, it gives a signal to the hypothalamus saying that, some problem is going to happen now, when you are not getting the breakfast, especially. And most of the time, not in every person, especially we have seen certain genetic profiles, it is very, very dangerous. It's really hikes up your entire systems in the sense that there is some bad incident going to happen to you and your stress hormone shoots up. And then again, your entire body goes haywire. So I think...
so it's not like you have to follow the intermittent throughout the entire month.
No.
You need to
The
know.
best thing is maybe alternate days, maybe 3 days in a week. Every day if you do it, I can almost guarantee that you will be in trouble.
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah. So, especially those people who are having certain gene variants. That may not be applicable for some people, but I'm talking about most of the people. So, yeah, these are some of the things what I believe we consider like a biohack and can create problems.
Different for males and females.
Absolutely. So, during those times, like the periods and all, you can go for maybe a bit more resistance training, or maybe you can do some cardios instead of getting into this kind of things. Even infrared sauna would be a good idea during that time, because externally if you heat up, your system which is trying to cool down is getting activated.
Activated even more.
Yeah. So you need an expert to guide on this. If someone is really trying to get into this kind of spaces, definitely you need someone to get you a proper advice.
Yeah, you need to know where your hormones are, what are they working for,
that's why, yeah.
and you need somebody to tell you what's right for you at that
Yeah.
stage, because I think everyone's made a thumb rule, और वो thumb rule सबके लिए same नहीं है, और वो सब time नहीं apply हो सकता.
That's why we when people go through our genetic testing, when they go through the counseling, our counselors tell them that, especially if they're women, we tell them that when to do what.
It's very important, I feel.
When to do what and how much you should do. That's also critical.
Yeah, because I know so many female friends of mine who have also hurt their system, damaged their system, even though they're doing good things. They're eating the right food, but because of the wrong timing of fasting or doing something like this, even workouts for that matter, there is a way that you actually have to kind of chalk out your workout.
It depends
you
on
can't
your
do
profile.
the same. Yeah, you can't
Depends
do the
on your profile. And the problem here is that the moment your progesterone is getting consumed and being converted into cortisol, and you get an estrogen high, I'm telling you, it's very difficult. Then onwards, the life completely changes. And I have seen then they go for hormone replacement therapy.
God, that's
and then the next thing. But issue is not that. Issue is these particular exercises not suitable for her. That's it.
That's it.
So that's where we always find that a genetic profile tells them exactly what you can do, exactly what you should not do, what can give you positive results, what can actually give you. Even there could be cases where people gain weight by doing exercise.
Got it. Yeah, I know so many people now that I think of.
Yeah.
They're working out their entire year and there are no results.
Yeah.
And they kind of are stuck there. कि
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Yeah. And then people see that there is inflammation, there's gut inflammation, there are so many other hidden reasons which they are not aware of.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. When we just spoke about gut inflammation. How important is your gut microbiome when it comes to longevity and
You know, Sneha, when you have 30-40 trillion cells in your body, you're close to about 100 trillion microbiomes. Microbiomes यानी कि bacteria, virus, fungi, all put together.
okay,
उसमें majority, almost 70% is in your gut.
okay,
क्योंकि gut is one place where all the external things also come in, you know.
huh.
So your gut means you have got the stomach, then the small intestine, the large intestine. Stomach is where the digestion happens. After that, it goes to the small intestine, then the large intestine. So these are the place where आपका जो microbiomes reside करते हैं. Why are they there? They are the ones who breaks down this most of these nutrients and make it into a formats which is easy for the body to absorb.
Absorb, huh.
Plus they create something called short chain fatty acids.
Okay.
Okay. जैसे कि आप जब खाते हैं उसमें जो नॉन डाइजेस्टेबल और लेसर डाइजेस्टेबल चीज़ें जो होता है फाइबर, जब वो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में चलते हैं तो वहाँ पे एक बैक्टीरिया उसके ऊपर एक्ट करते हैं. दे एक्ट ऑन द फाइबर एंड द वेस्ट is basically called short chain fatty acids.
Okay.
Butyrates, you know, they're generally butyrates, and that's something which your body requires in plenty.
Okay.
Now, the issue is, अगर आपके हार्मोन के बारे में सोच लो, whatever it is, it all has got direct impact on this microbiomes inside your gut. तो जैसे आपके अंदर जो microbiomes है उसमें हो सकता है कि there are some villains also there who can create problems. अगर अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं तो definitely there will be villains because your gut will never be vacant.
कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा.
कुछ तो होगा,
बराबर
कुछ
है.
लोग तो होगा वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
Now with the advancement in microbiome testing, जैसे कि मैंने जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग के बारे में बात किया, जैसे माइक्रोबायोम का जो डीएनए भी टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ सिंपल poop test.
Okay.
Do it yourself. You get a kit. You just take a small portion of the poop and send it back, and we do that. And then from there, your entire microbiome will be decoded.
Okay.
जहाँ पे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि what kind of bad species, what strains are there, और what kind of good strains are missing.
जो जरूरी है एक्चुअली.
जो जरूरी है, यानी कि कुछ फंक्शंस के लिए, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, सेरोटोनिन इज हैप्पीनेस, हैप्पी केमिकल.
हार्मोन. हाँ.
और ये सेरोटोनिन का 90% तो आपका गट में प्रोड्यूस होता है.
अच्छा.
ओके. और योर नर्वस सिस्टम हैज गॉट ए कनेक्शन विद द गट. इट इज कॉल्ड द एंटरिक नर्वस सिस्टम. तो जहाँ पे सेरोटोनिन यहाँ पे जो प्रोड्यूस होता है, वहाँ से आपका जो हैप्पीनेस सिग्नल्स ब्रेन में जाते हैं. नाउ सेरोटोनिन प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए आपको एल ट्रिप्टोफान नाम का एक अमीनो एसिड की ज़रूरत है. वो आपका बहुत ज़्यादा मिलते हैं डार्क चॉकलेट से, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट से, चिकन से मिलते हैं. लेकिन ये जो कन्वर्शन जो है ना, वहाँ से जो एल ट्रिप्टोफान से जो सेरोटोनिन में, इसके लिए कुछ माइक्रोबायोम्स काम करते हैं, कुछ बैक्टीरिया काम करते हैं.
Okay.
ये बैक्टीरिया अगर मिसिंग है,
हाँ.
तो आप जितने भी डार्क चॉकलेट खाए
वो होगा ही नहीं.
हैप्पीनेस नहीं होगा,
क्योंकि वो बीच वाले है ही नहीं.
Yeah, so you are depressed and you go to a psychiatrist and they give you antidepressants. Still it's not going to work. So the moment you fix your gut, अगर आपको पता चल गया ये बंदा वहाँ में मिसिंग है, now what should you do? You can have your diet plan changed accordingly so that you can grow those bacteria inside. One. Second, now science has advanced. So we are also super thrilled with working with a very advanced technology company in Bangalore. जहाँ पे वो क्या करते हैं कि जब आपका एनालिसिस मैंने किया और आई एम गिविंग दम द लिस्ट ऑफ दोस माइक्रोबायोम्स और द काइंड ऑफ बैक्टीरिया विच आर मिसिंग, तो वो वही बैक्टीरिया को वो कैप्सुलेट करके आपको वो दे देंगे.
So you directly have those.
Yeah, you can have it for 90 days and you can culture it. You can have your flora fauna in the right place. And we see unbelievable results. Honestly, I'm telling you. Because लोग कहते हैं कि behavioral changes. Can you believe it? Like people who are depressed, they start experiencing happiness. आप जब जाके तो कुछ you know what allergy test करते हैं ना, जो non tolerance test.
Yeah.
If you look at any of the tolerance test, I can guarantee one thing. 90% of the test results are almost the same. You should not take milk, you should not take chicken, you should not take peanuts, you should not take that, this and all. और उसके बाद आपको एडवाइस ऐसे दे देंगे कि you avoid all this and then add one and see whether it's working or not.
Yeah.
It's an old school. See why it's not working. if milk is giving negative results, why? If one food item is not doing good, there is some reason for it. So once now you understand the microbiome which are missing, and once you're bringing that microbiome back, the bacteria back there, you can start enjoying the food the way you want to enjoy it.
Wow.
So and it's not very expensive. The moment you say think about the microbiomes and the DNA and all those stuff, the test is cheaper than even a comprehensive medical blood test. It's just about 10,000 rupees. And you get your entire profiling done. Based on that, you can create a highly personalized diet plan. If you require some supplements, we can supply that, provide that. We even provide a app for people जहाँ पे इसके मुताबिक personalized diet plans AI create करके दे देंगे. So I think this is the advancement which is happening.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like everything is getting so personalized, I feel. So you know your microbiome, you know what's missing.
Correct.
You can actually, it's like कि हर इसके लिए now there is a hack. You just have to go and do it. I think you just have to figure your body.
Absolutely.
Like genetic, as you said, testing
Yeah.
हो रहा है हर चीज़ के लिए. And वो missing links अगर आप भर दो, you can live a beautiful life. I
think now when we have all the science and technology available, making use of it is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
think there's
maybe those people who are listening to it, if they are keen, maybe that for your audience we can give a special
Discount.
coupon or something.
Yeah.
You can.
Would
release
love
that,
to do that. I think it will be a very good thing.
Yeah.
I think, as you said, that in today's world and age, there is no point living under the rock. I mean, you can take responsibility
Absolutely.
and accountability of your life, and you can change your life. And I think
जैसे WHO कहते हैं इस तरह का जो जेनोमिक प्रोग्राम्स और सबके बारे में WHO का डेफिनेशन है, इसमें कहते हैं कि दिस इज हेल्पिंग पीपल टू टेक इन्फॉर्म्ड चॉइस.
informed choice. Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, we have to end this podcast because we have some time restrictions. One last question before we end this is, what do you think is being a like you said in the beginning, being a superhuman? What do you think what people can start doing in their everyday life? Small things that can make them a superhuman from tomorrow.
I think if I start listing it out, the first thing which comes in my mind is being conscious about your thoughts. क्योंकि अगर वो उसके ऊपर आपका जो कॉन्शियस नहीं है, तो then that can disturb all those things.
Yeah, so thoughts is the first thing.
That's what I believe.
Yeah.
Then, of course, being grateful about what you have, and considering that whatever is going to happen in your life in future, these are going to be blessings. And wait for that.
Yeah.
And third is that, once you have this thing done, जब आपका जो ब्रेन का जो सिस्टम आपने कुछ करेक्ट कर दिया, तो उसके बाद आप यू कैन स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर बॉडी.
Got it.
Movement.
Movement.
Key factor is movement. Move your body all the time. 10,000 steps. That may be a parameter, but still it's good. Like, keep your body moving all the time. And connect with the like-minded people. Connect with people who can pass good energy to you all the time. And eat less. And eat less frequently. And eat less in quantity.
I love it, because if I'm talking to somebody who's talking about longevity, the third point is coming to body. I think it starts with psychological, of where your thought, your emotion, where you are at.
Absolutely.
And then you come to the body. And I think that's such a beautiful thing. So thank you so much. I
Thank you,
absolutely
Sneha.
love talking to you, and looking forward to doing one more podcast soon. So
It was
thank
a
you so
pleasure.
much.
Thank you, Sneha.
अभी भी मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, and I'm sure you guys have questions too. Please leave them in the comments below, and do not forget to share this episode with your friends and family, because this is your chance to make a difference in their life. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep rising above things that are holding you back, embrace growth, and do not forget, I roar you.